Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at preparing to import data into the desktop software. It's just a few pointers to help the process go smoothly. First of all, we're going to copy the data from the USB stick to the desktop, and then we're going to be just looking at the file naming processes so you have a good understanding of that. So to start off with, we have our USB stick in our computer, and we can see our data file there. And the first thing that we notice is that it's got a load of numbers and letters, 140818L9.cn1. Well, it's actually the date backwards if you haven't picked that up already. We've got the 18th of August 2014. The L9 is just a random code. So if you have more than one combine in a field who are working on the same day, hopefully you should have two randomly generated letters and numbers that make the folder name different. And so that's all that is. It just helps us manage our data, which we'll come to in a few minutes as well. So the first thing that we want to do is take the information off our USB stick and put it onto our desktop. So to start off with, we highlight the folder on our USB stick. We right mouse click and go copy. And then see here on our desktop we've got our Harvest 2014 folder. That's what I create for each of my harvests. And so I put all my USB sticks in data from the combines into that. I don't leave it till the end of the season. If I can do it on a daily basis, then so much the better. So hopefully, as we're coming to the data import process, you'll have a number of those in your folder. So we right mouse click and we go paste. And so the data now is being copied from the USB stick into the folder. And one thing we notice here is that it's 23.5 megabytes, which isn't particularly big, and that will make the data import process much quicker. And during this stage, if there's a problem with the USB stick or there's a problem with the GPS data, it will show up here. So we can then go and sort it out rather than doing it at the stage of importation into our software. So if we look in the Harvest 2014 folder, what we will see is all our data folders lined up, and that's where we want them. We don't want to create subfolders of different dates or anything like that, because the USB stick and the monitor, they will come back in date order anyway, and this is the way that we import them. So just create one folder on the desktop and put all the USB sticks into that. There is nothing more that you have to do. So now our data has been moved across. The next stage and the next video will be looking at how we import the data into the software.